Hey, let me show you the best features of the CMF Buds Pro. So first of all, let's open Nothing X application, and first of all, what is really useful that we've got the sound equalizer. We've got 4 presets, but we can even set it with our custom. So I was actually using the Oppo Anko Air3 Pro, but in this earbuds we, for example, cannot find custom preset. So right now when you're listening to some media, you can set them to your own preferences. That's like really useful option. Next, we've got controls. So right here we've got the double tap, triple tap, tap and hold, and double tap and hold. And as you can see, we can, for example, play in the pause media, skip back, skip forward, wake the voice assistant, answer and hang up calls. On the triple tap we can decline incoming call. On the tap and the hold we can adjust the noise control modes, and for the double tap and the hold we can volume up or volume down, and it works the same for the right earbud. Below, right here when you go into the settings, we can for example find the low latency mode, so it's useful when you are playing games or for example watching some videos. We can also try to find our earbuds thanks to this sound location, and we can even update software, so sometimes it actually improves the sound quality. And also we can connect these earbuds into the iOS devices like iPhone or iPad because they are actually compatible. And this is all the best features for these earbuds in my opinion. Right now, please subscribe.